Please get all employee. So for that we need a public list for the all the employee. If you have multiple employees, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you need a list. Get all the employee. So list for the space and import it as a util package. List employee and get all employee. Return a student repository. Sorry, employee repository repository dot find not that. Okay, the repository, not employee repository. REPO repository dot find all. It will be already present inside the employee repository. So you know that inside of the employee repository extended by JPA repository, where this method is already present to get the data from the database. What we do here, just get that method repository dot find all, that all the data will be get inside the repository, and then go to the uh, service package to write your service logic. So before you go, just comment out and write the update employee. Fine. This will be a save employee. Save employee. Yeah, control M. Get all employee. Get all Y. Then write the public response structure. The first response entity and response structure, and inside of list we have a student. Actually, we can see a student, not a student. Employee. Then we get all employee, and what we need to do, list. For that we need a response structure. Inside of response structure need a list. Inside of list we have a employee structure is equal to new response structure. So we are doing here response structure inside of list and employee. So we are just creating the object of the list employee inside the response structure, and list employee, getting the employee type to object. Receive employee is equal to employee down dot get all employee. So what is happening here, inside of list of employee, we're creating the object receive employee, and inside of this employee dot get all employee. So whatever the employee inside this employee dot means here, uh, whatever the employee is there in the database, it will come to the here and here to come to the service package inside the employee data. Dot get all employee. It will be stored inside the same employee. Then what we to need to do, have to check it first. It will be available in the database or not. For that, we need if receiving employee is dot size. Okay, size is greater than 0, then you have to give me a data. So first need a structure. The message. The message will be uh, employee found, and the next will be structure dot set data. This is employee. The data will be set inside the receive employee, and the structure dot set status code. So the code will be a HTTP status dot OK. Means you will get the data. Code will be a OK. And after this, we need to return new response entity. Then response structure list of employee and structure comma HTTP status dot OK. Remember this. Sometimes you have to write. You will be getting this out with the instead of HTTP status, you will get the HTTP status dot code. So remember that you have to write HTTP status dot OK, not HTTP status dot code. And otherwise, you will get the error. Go to the employee controller. Before you go, just copying the for line. So you will easily get all employee. What to do? Return uh, employee service, employee service dot get all employee. What we need to do here to getting all the data, we need to the get mapping, and would be API address should be a get all employee. Right, and Control C, save it, and go to the main class where the our project will be started and run it. Yeah, it's starting. Yeah, let's go to the Postman. Instead of we need a new one, that is a get mapping. HTTP status 800 control B. So get all employee and hit this end. Yeah, we will get the data. See, we will get ID1 John D. John at the rate example.com ID, and we will get the ID2, get the ID2 name RAM, RAM email ram@gmail.com, department civil, salary 25,000, joining date 2024 3/1, while number this and password 1234. You get the only data. So this one is also done. So next video we will uh, we will create a new one is that is a find by ID.